Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate consistent human faces using Leonardo AI. First of all, you're going to head over to their AI generation tool and then type in your prompt. For a normal photo, you're just going to type the subject. You can add their gesture, for example, they're looking at the camera, and you can choose the camera the photo is taken from. You can also add negative prompts, which is basically a prompt to exclude the stuff that you add in here. For example, we don't want two heads, two faces, two nose, two lips, weird teeth, non-symmetrical face, distorted hands, mutated face, blur, and etc. You can hit generate with this and see the results. Keep in mind we're using Leonardo Diffusion and Leonardo Style for now. You can change the fine-tuned model which generates more realistic images, but we're using this for now. Here it generated us the person, but instead it also gave the camera with it. So what we're going to do is go into the model, set custom model. It's in the platform models, but you can just hit generate with this, and it's better for creating human results. So just generate with this model. We're using the same prompt, but we're going to edit it up a bit and type taken by instead of just typing the camera name normally, so it doesn't generate the camera with the person, and hit generate again. Here it generated us the person, but the thing is it's going to generate us different people each and every time. So if you want to get consistent results, you can go over to behindthename.com, just type it in Google and go to this link which says random name generator. After you go in it, just choose the person that you want. For example, we're choosing this, and number, first name only, surname, we don't really need one, you can just type random, and we can choose the category which basically determines the country of birth and ethnicity. So going with Arabic for now, we'll make her Greek at the same time, and we're just going to hit generate the name. We're using names because if we add a specific name that's kind of unique, we can just copy it like this, and instead of the photo of a person, we can paste the name and it will generate a similar looking images every time we hit generate. So just watch this. Here we generated 4 images, but as we can see, the facial structure is almost the same in all of them. We can hit generate again, but we can change the gesture, or we can add stuff to the photo. For example, and here if we notice, the facial structure is pretty consistent. You can try this with other names too, and 90% of the time your facial structure will be the same if you hit generate. We can try again. I mean, it won't be same, but it will be similar. So we can hit try again, but with a different name. We're choosing Korean. Generate the name. Just copy paste it into Leonardo AI and hit generate. We're keeping the rest same for now. Here is the first result, which is pretty consistent throughout the 4 images. If we hit generate again with the same prompt, now it generated us different images, but the facial structure is similar and more consistent throughout, as we're using a unique name for it instead of just generating a random person. We can change it up a bit. And hit generate again. Now we have the same person in a dress, but the facial structure is similar again. We can hit generate again, but change the color and change the hair too. Here we have the same image. It got a little messed up, but we can hit generate again to fix that. But our character is still consistent throughout the facial structure, as you can see across all of these generations. You can edit up the prompt a bit so it doesn't get confusing for the AI, and hit generate. And as you can see, the facial structure is still similar. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.